Gila gua gua live lagi, cok. Pasti berisik PS nya nih. PS nya pasti berisik, cok. Oh, thumbnail. Gue liat YouTube. Sudah ya? Oke, mantap. Ih, bagus. Langsung saja start ya. Apa nih? Welcome back. Collect club unit. Apa ini? Lu. Kok bentar. Apa nih klub-klub ini nih? Kok Ubisoft Connect, cok? Tidak mau, saya tidak. Astaga. Udah ya, exit, saya mau streaming, cok. Bukan mau kolek-kolek. Sudah. Oh, pakai ini. Oh, Assassin's Creed Mirage yang baru. Udah, play saja langsung. New game. Kita di hard. Jangan, normal saja. Normal ya? Normal. Ya. Toilet dulu bentar, guys. Sudah, mari kita lanjutkan. Normal saja. Langsung kita gas. Yuk. Let's go. Live channel. Live chat has moved. Apa ini? Jadi kita spam love. Apa ini? Loading. Bagus kan? 60 fps. Asal Anda iniin kualitasnya 720. Siwa Oasis. BCE itu apa ya? Coba bentar. Before Common Era. Oh, sebelum Masehi. Oh ya, oke. Ceritanya cerita Fir'aun nih. Kerajaan di Arab Timur Tengah. Mesir. Iya, Mesir. Buset, gajah, bro. Kayak Fir'aun. Piramid.
You are the Magi from
Rujak.
Siwa. I thought Magi was supposed to protect the Pharaoh. I am Magi to no Pharaoh. You see this? I can read my own name, Nat. We will find you. We will find you in your sleep. Sleep. I never sleep.
Oh, dipakai ini topengnya.
Just wait in the shadows, and I will kill you all. Everyone who sniffed the air that day in Siwa.
Bro, right on his face.
You killed my master and
Apa
left
nih?
me for dead.
R3
That
lock.
was a mistake.
Salah satu blok.
Your master was a murderer.
Oke.
I am his sworn bodyguard. It is a question of honor.
I
Light
am the
attack.
Magi of Siwa.
Then you are a worthy opponent. You are weak, Magi. But I am powerful.
Ngapain ada? Cuk. Berputar dia, Cok. Jatuh. Nama kita Meja ya. Buset, ini bukan Assassin's Creed ya? Maksudnya gameplaynya udah kayak gameplay game RPG. Lock lagi.
A broken weapon won't save you.
Shield break.
This place will serve as two, one of us. Let it be you.
Let us call truce.
Oh,
You
dosnya
are not
kotak.
the one I sworn to kill.
Question of honor. It is a fight to the death.
Aduh,
So be
kena lagi. Weis, Anda. Aduh, bisa nih. Kena bro. Nice. Dia belum terbiasa nih. Eits. Oh, bukulnya R1, lupa. Bukul, saya mencet kotak mulu. Unleash special power. Special move. Hai. Look. Apa itu? QL. Lo. Apa yang Anda angkat, cok? Facecam dong, Mas Dio. Saya tidak pakai kamera. Lihat aja nih. Suaranya aja masih noisy banget. What? Saya nggak ngerti Assassin's Creed mana ya? Oh, ini malah. QLT itu apa sih? Quality, 6. Damage-nya 37, 38. Mending ini. Ininya unarmed. Ini unarmed. Oke, terus abilities. Apa nih? Your life can regenerate. Oke, ini penting. Kita punya berapa? Mana? Satu lagi ya. Ini tuh apa nih? Call mount. Speed forward. Kayaknya nanti aja deh. Eagle. Ini apa ini? Assassination XP. Headshot XP. Arrow retriever. Yang fight dulu gak sih? Parry. Incoming attack. Kayak penting nih, parry. Air attack enggak, nanti aja. Heavy attack. Kayak parry penting sih. Main yang online aja, gue ikut. Jadiin gue moderator. Main online, gimana main online aja? Gue gak ngerti, sumpah. Gue gak ngerti Assassin's Creed. Ini abilities kayaknya masih ada satu ya. Oh iya, satu. Apa lagi ya? Sumpah gue gak ngerti ini gimana cara mainnya. 2 melee weapon. Oh, ini nanti aja. Ini nih. Main game online. Ntar malaman deh. Gue streaming dulu. Aduh, buset, ini heavy ini ya. Animus. Apa itu tadi? Oh, itu ada tandanya. Larinya pencet apa ya? Emang dia nggak bisa lari apa gimana? Pass through crack. Bang, fallback gue subscriber lama. Gue juga main AC. Syndicate. Nggak ada Syndicate mah. Ini Assassin's Creed pertama saya. Ini gimana? Oh, pencet panah kanan. Ini pertama kali, bener-bener pertama kali main Assassin's Creed. Dia gak peduli sama lu, be. Nggak gitu. Tuh. Bilang. Oke. Ini lari pencet apa ya? Ini emang larinya kayak gini lebih nggak bisa lebih kencang ya larinya ya. Aduh. Battlefront 2 ada. Kayaknya kalau masih ada, lupa juga saya. 6 koin buat apa lagi? Oh, itu kayak nge-scan ruangan gitu ya. Jam. Okay. Oh. Sini mana? Ini apa ini sini? Halo. Jatuh dong. Jam kemana, cok? Bawah. Oh, enggak nih. Lu kok naik? Lu. Climb down, bullet. Oh ya. Turun lagi. Buset. Harta semua nih. Emas semua nih. Sumpah. Request lagu, bang. Copyright dong. Hey. Ada. Ntar lu, ini ada, gak ada something apa di situ? Nggak ada chest ya? Bentar. Ini cara scan kayak tadi gimana? Nggak, salah. Oh, ini. Apa nih? Loot. Loot itu pencet apa? Oh, segitiga. Tuh kan banyak ternyata. Nggak mungkin gak ada sesuatu nih.
Forgive me, Great Amun. I have need of this.
Soft leather. Kayak buat crafting gitu ya. Atau buat dijual. Betul. Gambarnya bagus kan? Set, masih banyak hartanya. Oke. Loot. Di sana masih ada lagi. Sini dulu deh. Saya nggak tahu ini buat apa ini. Dapat iron. Buat apa sih gitu? Naik ke sana gimana? Coba. Bisa nggak? Oh bisa. Dapat. Loot semua loot. Looting. Set, ini buat apa ya? Ini koin banyak banget nih. Climb up nanti aja. Yuk. Mari. Kita jajal tempat ini. Game lo apa aja? Apaan ya? Lu punya apaan aja? Ntar gue jawab baru. Soalnya nggak bisa diliatin dari sini. Kalau misalkan keluar dari game, ntar jadi biru layarnya. Nih kayak gini nih. Jadi biru. Gimana cek? Climb up. Oops. Ada sesuatu sini. Sana ada nggak? Nggak ada. Oke. Enak ya ngelut ada begituan ya. Lah ini yang tadi. Jadi bukan sih? Oh bukan nih. Baru kan? Yang tadi deh. Yang tadi cok. Kudu kemana ini kita? Aduh. Gua ada GTA 5 Watch Dogs, harus Battlefront, Rocket League. Battlefront berapa deh? Gua ada Battlefront 2 kayaknya. Kayaknya kalau nggak salah ingat. Sumpah ini suruh kemana cok? Mana jalan keluar? Sepertinya ke sana kan? Sumpah ini kemana? Hey, saya baru main loh. Pusing. Tapi ya apa? Masih ada banyak sih tuh. Loot. Dapat apa itu? Palu. Dapat palu nih. 25 koin. Buat dijual ya? Oh, gelantungan. Gimana sih? Bentar. Balik badannya gimana ya? Nggak bisa jam. Oh, bisa sih. Oh. Parkurnya enak juga. Satisfying. Udah berapa persen? Apa ya, berapa persen? Progres apanya? Mana sih tadi dia ngomong apa sih? Update mana? Oh itu ya. Bisa manjat patung. Terus. Lalu kita kemana ini? Oh situ. Oke, let's go. Keluar. Perang di bawah. Let's go, kita campurin.
Soldiers. Of course.
Mana teman mana musuh nih? Oh shit. Wey, jangan gitu dong.
Watch out!
Masa langsung kena sih? Aduh, kena. Nice. Udah loot. Sini Anda, mana lagi? Manter nyawa lu sini. Ini kayak musuhnya masih gampang nih. Aduh, masih gampang, udah kena gua. Nice. Kena, nggak sengaja, maaf. Finish. Aduh anjir. Gue ada World War Z. Dead by Daylight, Ark Survival. Aduh, World War Z tuh nggak ada lagi. Gue udah lama pengen main itu tuh.
Setting up an ambush. It's a good thing I came to welcome you, huh? It's been months. Look at that beard, huh? It's been nearly a year, my friend. We'll still together in fight. I'm out of practice. In Siwa, everyone differs to the soldiers of pain or death, or worse. I've killed one of the masked ones.
Be, kirimin ini dong, Be. Apa namanya? Link Discord.
Oh, no. Come.
Gue punya sih itu server Discord. Di description.
No.
Tahu masih bisa apa enggak itunya, linknya.
But until all the masked ones' guts lie baking in the sand. God, I have missed you. Where is your mouth?
Where is your mouth? Onta.
There you are, boy. Let us go, Sonny. How have
Let's
you been
go.
holding up since I left?
Follow road.
It has been difficult, Dayak.
Oh, udah tinggal gitu
Without
doang.
you, the villagers look to me to keep order. But the soldiers have set up a garrison and they rule over all.
Kita nggak usah kontrol nih. Gua nggak pegang.
Stick.
Apa saking apa namanya saking gedenya map di Assassin's Creed
I'll do what
ini.
I can. But do not forget, I have my own justice to pursue. I knew I could count on you, Sonny. What happened here? The garrison soldiers are brutal. If they suspect the villager is lying to them, they burn his neighborhood. And worse.
Waduh, digantung itu.
Welcome home, Bayak. Siwa has missed you.
Siwa. Oh, nama kotanya Siwa. Weapon lu jangan lupa di upgrade. Weaponnya di mana ada upgrade-nya dah? Upgrade sendiri apa ada tukangnya? Kayaknya ada tukangnya ya. Aduh, kok ketabrak, Cok? Kok Anda nabrak-nabrak? Hei. Jangan. Tabrak ayam aja nggak apa. Ajarnya apa sih, budak ya? Kok ditabrak-tabrak? Banyak banget nih
We
quest
all
ya.
have learned to obey and keep our heads down. You see how it is.
Let's not attract attention.
Are you going to go to your house?
Nothing there for me. Tell me about the Ibis.
Medunum.
Is he here?
He is the plague
The
on the
Ibis.
oasis. As you can see, the soldiers have become more brutal since he arrived. Before they got drunk and fought with the villagers. Now that Medunum is here, they are disciplined, vicious.
Ini saus nabrak cuk.
To kill him.
Belok kanan, belok kanan.
Do not take him like... home. Leave him out. He will
home.
not stray far.
Gimana cara
Go
turun?
ahead on him.
Gimana sih? Turunnya pencet apa, segitiga juga kan ya? Kok nggak ada sih? Nggak bisa sih. Oh, bulat. Astaga, dibedain loh. Mount sama dismountnya. Ya ampun. Gini. Upgrade di blacksmith, ada di tiap kota ada kayaknya begituan. Ya sip. Terima kasih.
Rest, my friend. It has been a difficult day.
I have no interest in rest. We must prepare for this man.
Hepzibah! Hepzibah! Once again, the soldiers!
Rabia! My Rabia!
I am worried about you.
You know me, eh? You should be worried.
Look at you. Cuts, contusions.
Gue galis YouTube-nya. Dadah Fabio, olahraga dulu. Ih, mantap. Olahraga malam-malam. Rajin sekali, mantap. Sudah like dan subscribe. Aman, santai Rob. Rob lagi.
I've
Bi.
always patched you two up.
B.
Made excuses to your parents.
Kok Rob sama B sih?
Times have changed. But you, I can count on.
Apaan? Kamar Rob sama Abi.
Slumbering, Osiris. I thought you would never wake up.
Rabia patched me up and
I let you sleep. You need to be alert to tangle with Medunum. In fact, my friend,
a new bow.
see if you like it.
Bow. Panah.
Best spot to hit is right in the head.
L2.
One of the dummies is sturdier than the other. More arrows in the rack over there.
Good.
Hepzibah!
Ya apa lagi nih?
Soldiers are coming for you!
Go. Go. Quickly.
Look certain no one gets out of the house alive. Hepzibah! We're just here to talk. Nomad Rujek's been killed. Your friend, the Medjay, may have been involved. Come out, if you wish to clear his name. Prepare an ambush.
Neck! They will find my letters and burn down my place. I will be executed.
Don't worry. I will take care of this.
Watch
Baik.
out!
What's that? Who's there?
Keep low.
Keep low. Oke.
He's getting too close.
Terus takedownnya segitiga. Oke. Nice.
Now for the rest of them.
Kita oh, kita bawa sini aja. Kita bawa sini. Nice. Seru juga nih. Belakang ada nggak? Oh, ada ya. Halo. Di atas ada ya. Dia bisa take down gini nggak? Oh nice, bisa. Ini teriak udah. Ya Allah, padahal cuma jatuh ke situ doang loh. Dalam dulu. Cok. Woi, kok pakai ini anjir? Pakai ini, Cok. Cara gantinya kok pakai obor?
Show yourself, and we'll finish this.
Naik. Anjir. Ini nih. Nice, makan nih. Boom. Kenapa pakai obor tadi ya? Seru juga nih.
That does it.
Kirain musuh.
I told you these Nakatiadics do not care.
I cannot believe they're gone.
It is sad. Come upstairs. I will show you all the Magi duties of Siwa. All the problems of Siwa are here. I try to help everyone, but it is more than I can do.
So you are telling me you do not have the powers of a god?
But the real problem is that man you want to kill. Majunamun.
Majunamun.
The people were hopeful when he first arrived. Surely things would improve. We soon learned the truth, actually.
Oh. Berlututnya loh.
I fear for the safety of your family, priest. I will move them to a more secure area.
That is the man you're up against.
I will find him and kill him.
Majunamun is a lot more powerful than he looks, and he is surrounded by the finest soldiers.
I do not care.
You'll be killed. You need to get tougher if you want to murder that spindly shit. For sure, you need better armor.
I can make that myself.
Weapons are more difficult. The soldiers took everything in the village.
I will talk to the blacksmith.
Yes, Benipe can
Oh,
certainly
blacksmith
fix
itu
it.
buat itu ya.
Or Senu can help you find what you need.
Buat upgrade ya.
Senu is alive. Look who's
Senu.
coming.
Oh, ini Senu namanya.
Senu, old girl. In fine form. Radia has nursed her to health.
I must thank her.
People are desperate for your help, Barak. They'll help you if you help them.
I understand.
Elang, eagle. Quest complete di Oasis. Ability point, oke. Kita lihat dulu ability kita. Kayaknya gue mau ambil ini deh. Apa nih? Headshot XP, Assassination. Kayaknya ini deh, Assassination itu deh. Oh, ini nyambungnya ke sini nanti ya. Oke, nice. Kok nggak bisa gerak? Gear up.
I need to hunt for leather.
Bayek, I need some help with the request every time.
Suggested level 2 sama level 3. Kita level berapa deh? Level 2. Kita harus nyari leather di mana ya? Search breastplate. Oh. Oh ini. Oh ini ada nih dekat nih 200 meter. Ini apa nih? Coba sini dulu yuk. Mana sini? Synchronize. Synchronize buat apa nih? Buat buka map kah atau gimana? Fast travel. Oh, buat fast travel. Oke. Tadi ada. Wih. Oke. Keluarnya halus. Oh. Siapa? Gitu ya. Buset dari belakang. Oke, let's go. Kita ambil situ tuh. Leather. Let's go. Ayo dong, lari dong. Kita panah aja kali ya. Kok gak kena, Cok?
This will be enough. Thanks to Nea, goddess of hunting.
Go to crafting section. Crafting section di mana? Oh ini. Oke, dapat armor baru ya. Ini armor ya. Kita sekalian cari ini deh. Dapat leather sama kepala kambing. World map. Ini bisa synchronize di sini ya. Kita ke situ deh coba. Coba sini yuk. Kayaknya kita penting banget buat synchronize gitu deh, supaya kita bisa enak fast travelnya. Okay, let's go. Mari. Bisa apa itu? Oh, kambing. Aduh, di atas sana ya, jauh juga. Nggak apa, let's go. Biar bisa fast travel. Lu. Ini apa, Cok? Kok error? Jadi itu dong. Kok pusing? Area not available. Terus maju terus. Set ke atas. Lihat view dulu. Ih, mantap. Pasir semua. Assalamualaikum, akhirnya live lagi. Iya, Boti. Live lagi akhirnya. Saya pusing mau ngapain. Live saja. Lihat. View-nya mantap sekali. Coba di PS5. Lebih wow. Grafiknya pasti. Terus. Ini pasti bakal agak sedikit membosankan karena saya sinkronis seperti ini. Terus sampai ujung. Ayo. Oke, nice. Sampai juga sini. Synchronize. Let's go. Map baru lagi. Area baru maksudnya. Kita ke mana lagi? Synchronize lagi deh. Ada yang bisa synchronize lagi nggak? Aduh, ini tanda tanya apa sih? Kita kesini aja deh. Apa synchronize ini dulu ya? Sini aja dulu. Quest dulu. Aduh, level 3. Bentar deh. Main questnya yang mana ya? Ini kan side quest nih. Main questnya yang mana ya? Oh, level 5 dulu baru. Oke. Kita kasih dulu coba. Udah. Apa nih? Tanda tanya. Wih, jatuh. Satisfying sekali, bro. Ntar lu ada yang bisa looting. Sedar lu. Apa itu? Masuk. Ya. Buset, kagak perih tuh tangan. Buset deh. Kuat parah nih orang. Ada bisa dulu. Ini gimana sih? Nah, ini onta gua. Mari kita ke tanda tanya itu. Buset, yang nonton 5. Alhamdulillah. Ada treasure kah? Oh shit.
If I had not brought Khamur here, but things have been different.
Hey!
What the shit? Buset deh. Kuat banget. Mati gua. Buset. Kuat banget, astaga. Kaget saya, Cok. Tiba-tiba bisa kayak gitu. Oh, loadingnya kayak gini. Buset deh. Bisa kayak gitu. Kita leveling di mana ya? Ini deh. Kita fast travel dulu sini. Oh, kenapa Anda kaget? Dia kaget tadi. Itu musuh-musuh kita ya? Permisi. Awas tabrak.
Great God, Amun! It is our own Bayek. Right decision, Gere. Bayek! Al-Majai, you're back.
You're back. Sorry.
What happened to your blacksmith shop?
Those naked-yaded soldiers. Ptolemy's captain saw me making a sword and accused me of being a rebel.
He was not wrong.
They confiscated my tools.
Ah, bastards. All of Siwa needs a blacksmith. Even me.
I
Oh,
cannot
ini
help you,
blacksmith
Bayek.
ya.
Not until I get my hammer and tongs back. And I have to get that ugly-ass Apap captain off my ass.
Is this captain with the tools somewhere I can find him?
At the foot of the hills west of
ngapain?
here. Camp Shetje.
I will get those tools back, and I will take care of the captain. Benipe said the tools are in Camp Shetje. And the captain who is behind this is in Camp Shetje as well.
Is that Bayek?
Ini dia. Oh, di situ. Oke. Lihat lagi. Lihat. Oh, bisa synchronize lagi di situ. Oh, gitu. Oh, itu level 1. Bisa kita sikat langsung. Oh, itu barang dia. Ya. Disuruh ngapain, Kak? Ini apa namanya? Jadi si blacksmith itu buat kita upgrade senjata. Aduh, ketabrak, sorry. Jadi apa namanya, kayak oh shit.
Stop your shit!
Oh, habis lu. Kena gabung. Lagi bang. Lu makan nih. Anjir, tiba-tiba ada nyerang gua loh. Mana lagi? Kan nih. Mana lagi? Lu. Aduh, pusing tuh pasti Anda nontonnya. Saya juga pusing tadi. Mati semua prajurit. Lu lagi mau kena pukul. Jangan. Kayak gitu. Let's go, mari kita ke kapten siapa? Kapten siapa? Pokoknya kapten aja dia. Oke, ada yang jaga. Ada yang jaga 2 di situ. Kayaknya kita manjat tembok aja deh. Jadi kita apa namanya bantu ngembaliin ini buat palunya si blacksmith tadi biar dia bisa bikin pedang lagi katanya. Shell cutscene. Oke, cutscene situ. Dapat. Ganti senjata dong, masa pentungan baru dapet nih, bentar. Soalnya yang paling sakit ini nih. Tadi ternyata pas hilang. Udah damage-nya. Nah, ini tadi kan ini nih bronze sword damage-nya 41. Ini damage-nya. Loh. Tadi damage-nya enggak segini. Enggak tahu deh. Ini 49. Range. Lalu kita curi lootingannya dulu. Tenda mana masuknya? Ntar dulu nih. Kita iniin dulu. Nice. Batuk-batuk. Nah, ini dia. Kill the captain. Captain di sana. Saco. Panah ini. Banyak ini lagi. Kita assassinate aja. Langsung mati ya orang. Oh, bisa.
That's for my friend.
Nice.
Benipe will be pleased to
dapat light bow. Mana? Ini. Oke, nice. Kita kayaknya tadi bisa synchronize. Nah, itu bisa. Ini gak usah di kill semua guys, yang penting-penting aja. Tapi nge-kill mereka dapat XP sih sebenarnya. Ya buset, ada yang berantem tuh. Udah. Anda. Oh, ini teman Anda.
Die!
Let's go. Cok, salah. Cukup ini ya. Truk. Buset deh. Buset deh. Oh, panah saya api, Cok. Lah. Kok cepet banget ininya habisnya? Dia inget ngeliat game begini jadi inget Ghost of Tsushima. Ya tuh udah tamat tuh. Itu aku udah matinnya seminggu udah tamat langsung. Soalnya sekali streaming dulu tuh 6 jam 7 jam, bulan puasa lagi. Berapa tahun yang lalu? 2 tahun yang lalu kayaknya. Nice. Apa ini heavy blunt? Boleh dicoba. Salah. Silang. 10, damage-nya 53. Kayak heavy weapon ya. Oh iya. Kayak ini tau, apa namanya? Kalau Anda main Dynasty Warrior kayak ini Xiaohodun. Dynasty Warrior 6. Synchronize.
Stone Saga. There was Henry here not so long ago.
Let's go. Kita ke ini tuh dia jadi kita habisin aja berarti musuhnya. Sini deh biar cepet. Yang mau tarung mana deh, sini deh. Anda semua mana? Tarung aja langsung deh. Ini wat baik.
There you are. Die, boy.
Dari luar temen lu nih mati. Sakit juga. Nice. Kau udahan dulu ya, pengen bobo. Nggak apa-apa, santai aja. Kok masih camp ini ya, camp musuh ya? Udah habis kan musuhnya, nggak ada lagi. Nggak ada lagi, bro. Coba kita ke ini deh, dalam sini kayak ada yang ada samping yang bisa di looting. Apa ada? Pasti ada nih. Loot. Kalah. Kontakku mana? Let's go. Bentar ya. Kamar mandi bentar.
Ptolemy, he has brought great sorrow to us all.
Bentar, kamar mandi. Oke, mari. Kita sudah level 3. Di abilities ada crafting apa nih? Nah, ini penting. Ini nanti aja ya. Oh, udah 0 juga ability point. Destroy statue of King Tomeli. Weh, ketahuan bro sama prajuritnya. Weh, tolong. Aduh, muter-muter gini, pusing. Nice. Bisa ini. Ini tuh bisa boncengan ya.
Bayek, how did it go?
Udah bro.
Here are your tools. But Captain won't ever come back here.
At last, I can reopen my shop. Many thanks.
My pleasure.
I found these weapons I had hidden from the soldiers. Please, choose one for yourself.
Choose one for yourself.
Choose one. They're all of equal value.
The bow.
It is not large, but that mace can crack a skull. Best of them. The shield is made with bronze and leather. Good protection. Some weapons bounce right off it.
Kita butuh weapon.
It's not large, but that mace can crack a skull. Best of them.
Thank you, my friend.
Come by my shop anytime, Bayek.
Oke, gearnya kita ganti dulu senjata. Damage-nya gede. Level up, aduh level 4. Ya. Level 4? Belum. Jangan naik kontak. Kita parkur aja. Aduh. Oke, di atas sini ada quest.
A solid breastplate. That one.
Freshwater spring in the Amanai cave. Or northern cave. Better look into it. Terrible. Not like him to give up.
Kita duduk mana? Side quest. Sini ya. Boleh. The healer. Let's go, jalan.
Behold what becomes of those who disobey Medunamun. Praise to the Pharaoh.
By the gods, Amun and Iset! Bayek is back in Siwa!
Stay low. Itu prajurit gue malas banget. Oke. Nice. Depan blok kiri. Buset, dibakar itu ya rumah ya. Shit. Seika. Lu main-main lu sama baik. Ontak kebakar cuk.
Rabia!
Bayek! It does my heart good to have...
We now send her back to health. Never expected to see her again.
She is a tough old bird.
She is
Like
a
you,
tough old bird.
Bayek.
Hepzibah tells me you are healing the villagers as best you can. It would give me much pleasure to help you.
That is kind of you. May Akkar be blessed. I can always use help. These soldiers are brutes. Almost every villager has cuts, bruises, broken bones. To help them, I put together a makeshift penmark in the old ruined temple. Friends bring me medicine from Yanglu, but now the soldiers stop everyone entering the village and steal their goods. So, we tried to bring medicine on a boat instead.
And the soldiers stopped that also.
They sank the last shipment. The medicine jars are scattered across the bottom of the lake.
I will get them for you.
Thank you, Bayek. Bring it to the old temple. I must go there now.
Medicine.
Oke, kita harus kemana? Medicine ya.
Senuke.
Kita harus itu tenggelam ya. Berapa meter? Let's go. Jalan. Lumayan juga nih dalam sini.
Rabia is waiting for these jars. Afraid I must borrow this.
Ada ini juga. Oh, ini pakai layar ya. Biar agak cepetan. Oke. Thank you. Terima kasih, bro. Di sini sopan nih. Kalau di GTA atau apa langsung direbut. Gue lebih suka jalan kaki ya, kenapa ya, lebih satisfying kalau jalan kaki. 80 meter, 70 meter. Injak orang tuh.
What has happened? Why aren't the patients in the temple ruins?
The soldiers threw us out. Even though I paid the Nomarch to allow me to use
Buset
the
deh,
temple,
ini
every few weeks soldiers
prajurit
come to take
kerajaan
our
ya.
medicine and food stocks. Always the same
Pada
soldiers.
belagu-belagu banget.
They call it a tribute.
Belum aja nih Bayek nih, turun tangan langsung.
We barely have what's needed to take care of the poor souls that need our help.
Vultures. Don't worry, Rabia. I will make certain they don't bother you anymore.
Be careful, Bayek.
Be careful, Bayek. Kill the soldiers. Oke. Sini lu semua lu.
I must be careful now.
Makan tuh. Nice, makan nih. Let's go, one by one.
Yeah, not much here this time.
Atu-atu ya mati. Oh shit, ketahuan. Tuh nggak bisa panjat. Pancing dia. Coba parry. Kok bisa parry ya? Bodoh amat lah. Dar. Yang kita take down tuh belum mati ya, mati nih ya. Nah,
Did you succeed?
kok gak ngajak Fab? Siapa ya, R3 ya? R3 siapa dah?
All my patients thank you.
I almost forgot
Robbie.
to give you your medicines from the
Siapa
sunken
tuh?
boat.
Siapa Anda?
In all the excitement, I forgot about them myself.
Your oasis of Siwa is lucky to have you, Rabia.
Siapakah Anda? R3?
Promise me you will not become consumed with your vengeance, Bayek.
I think of nothing else. By the grace of Amun, one day I will be free of it.
Sumpah ini satu subscriber lagi 260, ayolah. Nice, level 4 kita bisa pakai senjata yang tadi. Nice. Ada yang baru ya, 2 ya. Abilities ada 1 poin. Deh. Coba kita ke tanda tanya ini ya. Depan sini.
Lazy peasants! Make yourselves useful!
guards!
Pinggirin, jangan di tengah jalan. Oke, kita naik. Kita cek Raven dulu. Let's go. Buset deh, banyak banget sih tuh. Buset bro, banyak banget bro. Ada prisoner ya? Ada hostage. Oke, let's go. Yo, coba lihat bawah dah. Ada Liverpool kagak? Orang belum main, Mat. Liverpool belum main, cok. Besok baru main. Arsenal baru main tadi kan, lawan Nottingham.
Someone there. Damn you all. Get me out of here. By a moon. Is someone there? Damn you all. Get me out of here. By a moon. Is someone there? Damn you all. Get me out of here. By a moon. Is anyone there?
Arsenal butuh lawan sepadan yuk. Ntar tunggu aja, Mat. Nice. Satu persatu.
Get me out of here.
Berisik, you get me out of here.
There are other priests taken. 4 of them.
4 of them.
Stay hidden until you can slip out of the temple.
Oh, di situ, oke. Oke, di situ ada. Kiri. Di situ ada. Mana lagi ya? Empat kan dia bilang, tapi cuma 3 nih. Nanti lah ya. What the shit? Kenapa kita masuk situ, cok? Kirain saya nembus. Santai amat, bakal ada waktunya Arsenal kalah aja. Oh, ini ada 2.
You cannot lock us up like this.
not really you.
Go out, go out.
We
Get
must
it,
stop
get it.
this madness.
Hide here until you can get out without being seen.
Aman. Nice. Let's go, kita cari lagi. Prisonernya di sana. Dua lagi. Berbahan. Aduh, nggak panas tuh kaki. Injak api kayak gitu. Let's go. Panjat lagi ya. Ada apa di bawah? Itu rajanya apa gimana sih? Take down langsung. Keluar. What the shit, apa itu cok? Ini apa nih? Lah. Hah? Apa dah? Loh. Apa ini?
You have returned.
To right your wrong.
I die my
To
work
right your
unfinished.
war.
So close, so very close to ushering in the perpetual rule of the strong and virtuous. Virtue. What will give us the power of the gods? What is one boy?
What is one boy?
Papa?
Oke, siapa lagi? Papu. Ayahnya ini ya, anaknya Bayek maksudnya.
So close. Hey, one more.
Okay.
Hey,
Well, I can try. This way, I'll get two.
sure.
Well,
Up, strong. Ready?
yes. Oh, you made me miss. You. Remy, come here. I found a hyena camp. Yes,
Go ahead.
you're gonna love it. There's like 16 hyenas, and they're so dark and scary. Well, you know what? I'd rather go hunt with my papa. You always get too scared.
Hey. Let's go on a real hunt. Huh?
All right.
Come.
What are we hunting?
The Oracle wants the pelt of an ibex stag for the ceremony.
You will stand next to the Pharaoh, won't you, Bud? You're the Magi. When I'm Magi, I'll stand next to the Pharaoh. You'll never be Magi. Too scared. That's not true. What about the hyena cave? Shut up.
Enough, you two.
The sand is so hot on my feet.
Sometimes they light on fire. It makes you faster. It is up ahead.
Can I come?
Hey, your mother's waiting for you.
All right, see you at the ceremony, Hamu. Bye, Chenzira.
The herd is around here. We don't want just any stag. We want the pack leader.
Which one is he?
Big, with giant horns. Quiet now. Do what I do. This is my favorite part. Stay low. They will spot us unless we become like Amun, the god of hiddenness.
Yes, Papa. We are the hidden ones.
Find and get Ibex pack leader. Leader spells. Hah? Apa itu? Oh shit. Oke, itu dia target kita.
Senu, come to me.
Why are you calling Senu?
Chenzero told me I should steal his feathers, so that my rain ceremony gets me to the field of reeds.
Anubis weighs your heart against a feather. You cannot tamper with this way. Hit!
Did you hurt him?
A clean shot to the heart hardly hurts at all. Let us get that belt. We will take this to the oracle before it gets dark.
One day, I want to shoot an arrow through the sun.
You can. Your arrow will have to become
Mount not available. Aduh. Jalan nih 800 meter.
Then I'll be able to hunt anything.
You said you'd like to see the pharaoh up close.
Yeah.
What if you stand with me by his side?
Can I do that?
As my son and the future Magi, yes.
Papa, what is a Magi really?
The first Magi was a protector of the pharaoh. But now, it means you must protect all the people of Egypt. Not just protect them, but work for their well-being.
Oh, Papa, I'm so excited to be Magi one day. You know all the secrets of Siwa. What if I never go up to be a Magi?
Of course you will. You are my son.
But I get scared. I try to be brave, but sometimes it's hard.
Hold on. Let's go this way. When I was about your age, sometimes I got scared too. Your grandfather was a well-known Magi, and he wanted me to bring honor to the family when I succeeded him.
Yeah?
One day, he took me up this way. At the top, he said something to me. A single word. It changed me.
Apa ini? Cutscene. Dorong.
What word did your father say?
Jump. Don't think so long. Jump.
Yes, Papa.
Yes, Papo.
Trust me. You can.
I do. I will.
Jump then. Come back. You're not ready.
I can do it, Papa. I can.
Shut up, you filthy little
Waduh.
That's
Chenzira. Temennya dia.
Run home to your mother. Chenzira will be fine. I will take care of it.
Magi Bayek!
Go. Now.
I'm scared. I don't want to go home alone.
Oh, Emu, just do what I say, please. Go!
Magi Bayek!
Waduh.
I'm indeed Magi here. Who summons me?
Sheath your weapon and follow me.
You said you only wanted to talk to him. Ah!
Come.
Waduh. Bawa pasukan dia, bro.
Who are you to give commands to me?
You piece of shit. We don't have time to piss away.
Woi, shit. Hey, Cok. Gila lu ya? Langsung segindar gua. Oh, emang kayak gitu. Emang suruh kalah. I hope. Emang suruh kalah. Sakit banget padahal sama-sama level 4 loh. Lah, nembus.
Make a sound like you're dead.
What took you so long? Didn't want to be seen, sir. Kept to the shadow.
Tangkap kita. Maskman. Kita nggak tahu ini siapa nih.
We are pleased you have joined us, Medjay. It is of great importance that we gain access to the vault. The temple priests stubbornly refuse to assist us. You are perhaps reluctant out of loyalty to the Order. We have someone to help convince you otherwise.
Jalannya dulu nih, ikutin ngantuk bola-bola.
Not delay. Come. Forward.
Lu tahu sabar nggak? Lu nggak lihat gue lagi apa ini? Jalan. Nah, lo dapet tuh di depan tuh. Oh, anaknya. Astaga. Kemu. Kalau nggak salah namanya.
See that no one comes in.
Camel, are you hurt?
Go ahead. Try it your way.
I'll leave my son out of this!
Your son has something to explain to you. Would the Ibis show him the orb? We believe we need this to enter the vault. This is a waste of time! The boy is frightened. It's all right.
Papo, they need you to tell them about the vault. They need to know how to use this.
As Medjay, you must have some clue or key or legend that explains its use. I don't know anything about this vault! Please leave my son out of this!
He will be discovered. Quickly!
Mau diapain? Hey.
Talk to your son. If the vault isn't open when we return, we'll never see him again.
Papo! I did what you said, but...
It's alright, son.
Papo, I can get it to you.
No! Come on, don't!
They're going to hurt us.
This foolish waste
Perfect
of
lift,
time! Out of time? Tell us!
So, I don't know.
We must go now.
I will cut the heart from the boy.
No, wait.
He will never know the afterlife.
No, I will tell you. I will tell you. No.
He's stalling for time.
Kayak anaknya.
The snake takes that as your answer.
Eh. No way, salah tusuk, Cok. Aduh.
Shoot yourself!
Mati di tangan bapak sendiri, cok. Astaga.
We thought you were dead. You could not even save your own son. You are no one. Bayek of nothing. Father to nobody.
And here is your nobody! May the Hidden One greet you. The Lord of the Duat awaits. Well done, my friend. Our hero returns. He brought joy to Siva.
I should get to Alexandria. I need to see Aya.
Don't be in too much of a hurry. Siwa will always need its Magi.
But you are the protector here now. I'm always pleased to help.
Come see me when you are certain you are ready to go. We will drink beers to our friendship, huh?
The False Oracle. Tadi tuh ada ini gak sih sebenarnya yang di kerajaan tadi mana ya? Kita harus kemana? Ini apa nih? Coba ya, kita kesini yuk. Sorry, maaf, lagi tidur ya. Nah ini nih yang satisfying, yang seru sebenarnya dari Assassin's Creed adalah parkurnya itu. Temple of Anun. Tadi ada prisoner kan? Treasure, oke ada treasure. Sword, oke. Kayak pakai itu aja kita. Tapi lebih sakit ini. Kualitasnya lebih bagus. Oh, atau ini. Nah, abilities ada 1. Ini penting nih. Itu ya dulu kali ya. Ini dulu nih. Atau ini aja deh. Ini dulu deh. Habis itu baru 2 ini. Oke.
Let me at least talk to my wife.
Shut up. Shut up.
Thanks be to Amun, you came a long way.
Hide right here. When you're certain no one's around, get away from the temple.
Oke, nice. Kita cari lagi treasure. Ada di situ. Ada penjaganya nggak? Nggak ada, oke. Langsung turun aja. Kurang lagi. Nggak ada yang bisa diulut lagi di dalam sini. Udah, baru kita naik lagi. Mana lagi treasure-nya? Di situ. Baik. Di bawah sini ya. Udah kelar dong. Gimana sih caranya? Mana lagi treasure? Mana ya? Somewhere around here itu. Itu deh. Nice. Satisfying juga loh. Apa namanya, lompat-lompat kayak gini. Nggak ada jaga lagi treasure. Gimana sih?
Bayek, what are you doing here?
Nah, pergi.
Bayek, they will kill you if they find you.
Yeah, they'll never find me.
Grace of Amun. That's all of them.
Wah, anjir lagi tidur, cuk. Dan ini penting ya. Semangat Fabio, gue yakin 2 tahun lagi lo jadi Winda. Break the seal leading of the statue of Amun, light the torch to walk to Amun. Light the grace. Udah ya. Amun itu apa ya? Itu kali ya tempel yang di tengah sana. Seru loh ini loh ternyata. Saya sedikit menyesal telat mainin ini, walaupun agak bosenin ya mungkin kalau misalkan nonton. Cuma kalau dimainin seru bro. Nice. Statue of Amun. Ini ya harusnya kan Temple of Amunnya ini. Let's go. Apa aja tadi step-stepnya? Bentar, step-stepnya apa aja tadi? Break the seal leading of the statue of Amun. Seal leading apa? Seal leading. Bukan ya? Kayaknya sih bukan. Statue of Amun mana sih ini? Amun ini siapa sih naon teh? Lihat deh. Naon sih saha teh anun ini aja. Amun teh saha ya Allah. Tidak tahu saya. Ini masih ada yang nonton gimana? Set gue berapa jam streaming? Udah mau 2 jam. Dari tadi cuma gini-gini doang. Gak apa-apa lah ya. Dah. Kita ke mana lagi nih? Gue mau synchronize ini sih sebenarnya. Oh enggak deh, ini treasure. Yang synchronize tuh mana sih? Beda ya logonya. Oh, logonya beda. Beda apa logonya, Pak? Blacksmith mana blacksmith? Weaver. Saddle ya? Stable, kok saddle? Bring it back, bring it back. Don't take it away from me.
Those who disobey Medunamun, priest to the Pharaoh. Take care you faithfully follow his beneficent command.
What it means to me. Halo.
Bayek, welcome. Always good to see you, Bayek.
Beli. Bow. Warfare. Upgrade.
شو ما تشيعت ينبت أيام بيبت هاي ما حرشمت
Goodbye, my friend.
Let's go. Kita kemana sekarang? Kita ke waduh lumayan juga. Kita ke sini mana? Coba deket-deket aja, ini kita leveling aja bro. Ada treasure loh di sini. Turunlah, cok. Oh ini di sini. Ada kuda. Kuda. Let's go. Gue parkour aja lah. Parkour aja. Let's go. Hello.
Fenuku, it is dangerous here. Get on home.
Bayan, you're back?
Where is Chenzira?
He wanted to see the skulls in the hyena den, but the hyenas came back. I ran this way. Chenzira ran over by the tomb.
You are lucky the hyenas didn't chase you. Go back to the village. I will find your brother.
Okay.
What?
Do I have to tell my parents?
Chenzira got you into this. He will have to talk to them. Now go ahead.
Kalajengking. Kalajengking. Buntu. Mana cok? Coba kita muter deh. Chenzira, orang utamanya cuma kayak gitu cok, nggak ada lagi.
What has become of the necropolis? We used to keep it pristine here. Out of respect. Grandfather, I have missed you. I only wish you could have known him.
Dengan si baik.
It has been too long, son.
It's been too long, son. Oke. Sepertinya sampai sini saja live streamingnya karena sudah tidak ada orang lagi dan saya juga sudah mulai lelah. Jadi terima kasih yang sudah nonton. Terima kasih. Saya juga sudah mulai lelah ini. Sudah 2 jam sepertinya. Saya berkelana di Timur Tengah. Dan ini kayaknya bakal bagus buat live streaming karena bahannya banyak. Karena ceritanya panjang. Ya. Sepertinya sih bakal bagus untuk live streaming. Jadi turun. Oke, baik, terima kasih. Terima kasih sudah nonton. Bentar, tapi saya penasaran ini. Bodoh amat dari tadi gue nyari-nyariin. Bentar dah. Di sini ya. Kata gua.
Jensen, stay there. I'm coming to get you.
Anjir, kaget loh gue. Dimukul kayak gitu. Bentar. Nggak jadi N.
How did Chenzira get through here? Jensen, are you all right?
I can't believe you're back.
You should not be in here.
I'm hiding from hyenas.
Fenuku told me about that. It's not enough to get yourself in trouble. Little brother in danger?
But it's Shamugon.
All right, I understand. Let's get you out of here.
Bentar tapi ya.
What is it?
I'd like to know myself.
Bahasa apa itu, Cok?
Ancient writing from the old kingdom. Which way did you get in?
That way. But that's where the hyenas are. Maya? I want to tell you.
Dapat shield. Let's go. Ini ada 2 yang baru, nggak ada yang bagus juga. Abilities. Kita nunggu ngambil ini dulu kali ya. Enggak, mana ya tadi? Ini nih. Mana sih yang assassinate itu? 2 ini aja kali ya dulu ya.
What is it, Jensen?
It's my fault about the summer. They asked where you were. I didn't think it would hurt anything. I told them.
Chenzira, don't feel bad. You have no way of knowing what they will do. Anyone would have done the same thing in your place. Keep close.
I guess.
Let's go.
Hyena.
Oh shit.
Chenzira, hide.
They're still here.
Kenapa tong? Help me aja. Udah berantem, gue ikut dong, woi.
Safe now. Better get home.
Yes.
Can I ask you something?
Go on.
Could I be a Magi like one day?
Well,
Level 6.
you can start by looking out for your brother, not taking him to dangerous places.
I promise.
Now get back home.
Ini dulu. Oh, ini ada quest, main quest. Ini dia main quest. Ntar aja lah ya. Kita apa namanya ini terus grinding terus. Kayaknya saya bakal grinding offline. Jadi nggak semuanya dimainin di apa namanya, nggak semua main di ini live stream karena bakal lama sekali. Jadi ya sudah. Terima kasih sudah nonton. Dan ya, sampai jumpa di bla 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 selanjutnya. Oke. Oke. Terima kasih. Dah, lah.